Racing just is started. We have Masaganang Ani first to show quickness at the start. Moving up is paminsan-minsan. Then on the inside is keep your distance. Perhaps Love Kiss Me comes next. Then followed by Rising Star, Flying Hope, and this Ram Wild Flash. Away is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Masaganang Ani. Keep your distance is done on the inside. Paminsan-minsan is on the outside. 5 lengths further back in port comes Rising Star. And on the outside comes entry number 8. And this one is Perhaps Love Kiss Me. Then next on line is Flying Hope. And this Ram Racing second last. While Flash Away is still running at the tail of the field. Then at the fourth turn, we have Paminsan by our head. Keep your distance is done on the inside. Moving up now on the outside is Perhaps Love, Masaganang Ani, Rising Star, Kiss Me, Flying Hope, and this Ram. And a long way back to Flash Away, who's still running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. 3 runners fighting out for the lead. Keep your distance. Paminsan-minsan is on the outside. Perhaps Love comes next. Rising Star, Masaganang Ani, Flying Hope. Last 100 meters, we have Minsan by our head. Keep your distance. Flash Away is on the outside. Moves up to take the lead and finally Flash Away. Minsan. Keep your distance. Close with Flying Hope. Then comes Masaganang Ani. Perhaps Love.
Andun pala
Andun pala.
ang Itbulaga sa huling karera. Flash Away. Coming from